Hey YouTube, it's Jeremy Nelson here with another video, and I'll be doing WrestleMania XXX or 30 travel packages available next Monday. Just a little quick video. Got Randy Orton, R-Truth, Sheamus, John Cena, CM Punk, Alberto Del Rio, Dolph Ziggler in packages starting at $7.95 per person. Sunday, April 6, 2014, WrestleMania XXX takes over the New Orleans Mercedes-Benz Superdome on April 6, 2014. Travel packages for the biggest weekend of history go on sale next Monday, August 12 at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Don't miss out on your chance to celebrate 30 years of the Showcase of the Immortals with tickets to WrestleMania, Monday Night Raw, the Hall of Fame ceremony, WrestleMania Access, and more. This year the fans will have 5 different tiers to choose from, with packages starting at $795 per person, in addition to tickets to WrestleMania week activities and various options for hotel room accommodations. Every package includes a $50 gift card to the world's famous Pat O'Brien's restaurant in the French Quarter. Be sure to check back on Monday, August 12th for the details on all the packages and your opportunity to save your place at the Showcase of the Immortals. And yeah, $50 gift card. I wonder if it's going to be expensive food and you might use it all at one time, or maybe you can eat there once or twice. And yeah, it's pretty cool that they're giving away a gift card to a restaurant. Save some people some money so they can spend money to meet somebody at WrestleCon or something like that. Wrestle Union, whatever. But yeah, exclusive travel packages. Just a quick video. And August 12th, I'll try to make another one on this with more information, and that's about it. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.